Hi, hello and welcome to my channel Cricket Tricks. I'm Vijay Sima. Today we'll be giving the post-match analysis of India versus England, fourth test, and also the fifth test was cancelled due to COVID-19 pandemic, and we will keep you posted about it for further updates. Here you go for the analysis of fourth test match between India versus England.
Coming to the post-match analysis of India versus England, fourth test, England had won the toss and elected to bowl first. India didn't get the start that they were looking for. Rohit and Rahul both scored 11 and 17 respectively and gave away their wickets. Pujara got dismissed for a single-digit score with the brilliance of Anderson. But again, Kohli stepped up and contributed valuable 50 runs, while the other three players, Jadeja, Rahane and Pant, didn't contribute much. Shardul Thakur, the man with intent, and scored 57 runs with just 36 balls, which helped Team India to post a par total on that pitch. India were bowled out for 191 finally. Chris Wokes, pick of the bowlers, took a 4 for. Robinson, as always, impressive, took 3 wickets whole, while Anderson and Wolverton took a wicket each. In response to this, England also didn't start well. Both the openers didn't score much, but Mullen and Root steadied the ship. But it was Oli Pope, Johnny Bairstow, Moeen Ali, and Chris Wokes who played handy knocks and got the totals to 290. That means they had a lead of 99 runs in first innings. To be honest, England were in the driver's seat at the end of first innings. Umesh took 3 for, while Bumrah and Jadeja took couple of wickets. Shardul Thakur and Siraj took a wicket each. In second innings, India needed to start very well as England already had 99 runs lead. Rohit Sharma and Rahul started very cautiously, didn't play any loose strokes. They were watching the ball till the last minute and used to go for scoring shots only if it's in their arc. Rahul scored 46 and gave his wicket away, while Rohit played more responsibly and scored a century. Not to forget, there were contributions from Pujara, who scored a half century. Kohli scored 44. Pant and Thakur both scored quick half centuries in no time. Surprisingly, again, they got little contributions from Umesh Yadav and Bumrah with the bat, which got the Team India's total for mammoth 466 in second innings. Coming to England bowling department, Chris Wokes was impressive with the ball and took the 3 for, while Robinson and Moeen Ali took 2 wickets each. Anderson, Craig Overton and Root took a wicket each. So England had a target of 358. Both the openers, Rory Burns and Hasib Hamid, started on a very promising note. Partnership of 100 runs. Both the openers scored half century, but after they got out, they got contributions only from Joe Root, who scored 36. Rest all the England batsmen failed to score big. They were bowled out for 210. India won by 157 runs. Remember, England had the lead of 99 runs in the first innings. It was the determination, dedication, and never say quit attitude from India which helped them to get a lead of 2-1 in this series. And also, as per our prediction, India won this. Coming to India's bowling department, Umesh took 3 for, Bumrah, Jadeja, and Thakur took couple of wickets. Rohit Sharma was awarded man of the match, though I feel Shardul Thakur deserved it more, considering his all-round performance. Coming to fifth test, which was at Manchester, got cancelled due to COVID-19 pandemic. Latest news about this is India has offered England to reschedule the match at a later point of time, maybe not now. Both BCCI and the England Cricket Board are in discussion and it's currently ongoing. We will keep you posted if I hear anything about this. Thank you. If you have liked the content, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel and help us to grow. Thank you.